Hey guys, hope you're good. So, yesterday something happened. I was at a mall and I saw this lady, and I'm doing this video just to warn parents, especially mothers. Guys, it's festive, but at any time you must just be vigilant at all times. But in the festive, criminals are on a wild goose chase, right? So, you need to be careful about your bags, about your belongings, about your phones, about anything. But more than anything, I don't care much about your bags and your phones and your belongings. Children. Let me tell you what I did yesterday. I saw this lady buying coffee at a counter outside. So you know those malls, the shops that have counters outside, you can buy takeaway on the go coffee. She's buying coffee. She's got a trolley with two kids, a baby, like a 1 year. Okay, hold on seconds. A 1.5, but just under 2 years. The child can't speak yet. So uhleli a trolley where you can put 2 feet of a child, where you put a bag, and then the other one is standing inside the trolley. That one is about 3 years old, I think, not more than 4. Sharp, not older than 4. I look at her, she's busy, the trolley's behind her. She's busy busy buying coffee. For a good 2 minutes, she never turned to see the kids. I do an experiment, I lift the baby that can't talk, and the baby's eating a muffin. I take the baby, I walk away. The 3-year-old is saying, "Mama, mama, mama." The mother still goes, "I'm an imangan." She buys coffee. I disappear. I go to the corner and watch. She turns. I saw her heart moving from left to right and going to the head and then bouncing out the mall. Now she's asking the 3-year-old, "Where's the little baby?" The little baby can't answer. And then I appear and then I say, "See." And luckily, and I did it because I took the advantage that she would know me and she would know what I'm joking, but I wanted to give her an experiment and to feel and to know the importance of never even for 1 second letting go of your child. Losing sight of your child, right? And she said, "Oh no, I was just buying my finger, Sisi. I was watching you. 2 minutes is very long, 10 seconds is extremely long. Okay, don't." So I'm saying this just as a warning. Please. Ngamtshela ngathi this is not a phone or a bag. This is not replaceable. I don't care. If your bag was at the back and I was gonna walk past and not care. A child, a full human being. Please, ngiyacela bazalwane nabazali. Okay? Merry Christmas. Yeah, whatever. Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Sharp.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. This is Somizi Mhlongo, and he's sending a message to Batali njengoba tiyafika odkhathi tema festive season. He's saying ukuthi Batali, they should really be careful ngebantwa babo uma bahamba nabo publicly, babanakekele bababuke ngaso sonke isikhathi, because ube ne-incident yena la hlangane khona nemntali ma kwabantwana ahamba na-2 bantu abakhe labanqane. I think ukuthi boyithu labantwana they were under 4, and lo make solubhekelena ubeke stroller ngemuva or uthi trolley, something like that. Then uyasho ukuthi lo makaluka athenga coffee laphayana waze wathatha lo mntwana wabhaqana ekhoneni, because lo make bekambona ukuthi akabanaki olabo bantwana labo, wabhaqana ekhoneni afuna kumbona ukuthi uyowenda njani. So he's saying ukuthi anibanakekeleni obantwana, kuthatha ama second nje lamanqane ukuthi umntwana bamntshontshe uma ngale ukuthi hayibo bekalabi kala mntwana gone, because awunakekeli mntwana. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.